A pharmacy worker who stole more than £330,000 worth of diabetes testing kits from his workplace has been jailed. Abdul Nargoliya, 30, stole the products while working as a pharmacy assistant for a pharmacy in Leicester. An internal investigation was launched at the pharmacy branch in July 2018 after it was found that more than 22,000 test kits had been ordered since January 2017, but a stock take showed only 370 kits had been sold during this time. Nargoliya of Woodboy Street, Leicester, was identified as a suspect due to the time of the orders being placed matching up to his shift pattern. Orders for the products had been placed by telephone to the pharmacy stock provider. CCTV footage obtained showed Mr. Nargoliya handling the orders. It was noticed that during his shifts, the defendants would move the deliveries to a private consultation room and later leave with full carrier bags. During a month when the defendant was on leave, there was a substantial reduction in ordering of the products. Police were informed of the investigation and the defendant was arrested in July 2018. Examination of Mr. Nargoliya's personal phone showed hundreds of phone calls to the stock ordering hotline. Conversations were also found on the phone showing Mr. Nargoliya negotiating the sale of the pharmacy products with various people. The court heard investigations showed Mr. Nargoliya had deposited £492,000 to gambling companies. Mr. Nargoliya was charged in 2020 and in May last year. He pleaded guilty at Leicester Crown Court to theft by an employee and a charge of concealing, transferring and converting criminal property. He was sentenced to 43 months imprisonment. The officer in the case, Sergeant Mike Archer, said, "Mr. Nargoliya was an employee who abused his position purely for his own financial gain. This was a premeditated and planned theft for a substantial sum of money. The consequences of his crime had a significant impact on his colleagues and his workplace who trusted him. Thanks to an internal investigation in the company, evidence was presented to the police, allowing us to take this investigation forward and act quickly to disrupt his offending. I would like to thank the company involved for their cooperation and patience throughout this investigation and court hearings. I hope today's sentence imposed gives businesses who suspect they are a victim of the crime the confidence to report it to us and know that we will work alongside you to fully investigate and bring any offender to justice."